Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. Today I'm doing a new junk journal using an old book, the cover of the book. So I removed the spine and I just kept those gorgeous green covers, and I glued on it on each side of the covers my new digital kits, part of my new digital kit called the Victorian Era. So you have girls and ladies in the blue and in the soft pink colors with those gorgeous pink roses, some white roses, some laces. Anyway, it is gorgeous. So now to create kind of a spine, a fake spine, I'm gonna use some fabric, and I'm gonna start by just gluing that cotton that I washed in the washing machine and in the dryer. So it created tons of folds, like you can see. It was just a 100% cotton that I got in a store many years ago. So I don't even know the name of that fabric. I wish I knew because I'm running out of it and I wish I could buy it again. Anyway, I'm aiming for spine of about 1.5 inches. So you decide which length you want. And I've used the fabric tack because it glues very well paper to fabric. So just adding a line of fabric tack there, and then I'm gonna glue the other side of the fabric, and this will be the spine for now. And putting together those two covers again, and then what I'm gonna do inside is I'm gonna do like a floating signature. And if you're new to that, to junk journals, I'm gonna give you all the steps to do it. You're gonna see me doing the signatures and attaching the signatures to those covers. The whole process of this junk journal will be spread among 2, 3 shorter videos, and I'm speeding up the videos and cut some length as well to help. And now we are ready to create our signatures. So when I printed my kit, I only printed on one side of the papers, but I glued 2 pages together. So these 2 pages will be, because they are double pages glued together, they're gonna be like the first page of each signature. And I've created some 3/4 of half of a page with tracing paper to just decorate some pages as well. I'm picking some coffee stain paper, avocado stain paper, some with prints on it that I printed while drying the paper. And I fold them into two, but as you can see, I fold them a little bit not straight. This is on purpose because I want my signatures to be like a bit shabby. Nothing is aligned, and it creates a different dimension at the end. You're gonna see at the end how it looks like, but when you look at that, it's perfectly imperfect. And this is my favorite kind of signature, where everything is kind of messy, nothing is straight, but nothing is too much not straight as well. So I'm folding everything into two, not aligned at all, and at the end the mix of it all will create like a gorgeous shabby chic signature. So each signature will have a tracing paper, we'll have some pink paper, we'll have some stained with pattern coffee stain paper, and some ordinary coffee stain paper. So a mix of everything. And I'm just creating two signature with not that much of paper. At the end, I think I have 7 or 8 papers folded into two, so it's a 15 or 16 pages to flip, and I find it's enough because when I'll start decorating those pages, I'm gonna add some flips and flaps and pockets and extensions of pages, and it's gonna become really bulky. So if you start with a lot of pages, well, first it takes forever to decorate that junk journal, but it becomes so bulky at the end that you can barely add more papers with paper clips and fill the pockets. So I found with time that you better go with less pages and more additions or extensions to your pages to give you some space. So I have my two signatures here. They're ready to go. And now I'm going to create my floating spine to attach the signatures to it. Here, what I don't like is that I have a pink lady and on the right and a blue lady on the left, and I want to kind of separate them. So I tried with the tracing paper, but we could still see through it. So I took a doily that I have, which was a bit too big, but it was a rectangle, and I decided to trim it to the size that I need to kind of create the first and the last page of the junk journal with it. So this is how I made it up that you're gonna see in a speedy mode. I'm gonna stop this video for now, but I can give you a little sneak peek of what's coming. In the next video, I'm gonna attach the two signature with the floating spine, and I'm gonna add this to the cover with some embroidery and a little card as well to show you how to create kind of a cover that has different layers, which is something I really like in those days. So this is just a sneak peek, and don't worry, the next video won't take that long to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.